চাবি ৰে ভাই বেক ৱেক সব চাবি কি কৈছে বে ঐ গাড়ী অনত থটিছে নি অনত থ What's up guys, this is the Fun Jetters and today we are on another adventure which is the zipline and rafting over here. We have drove around for 2 hours from Guwahati and right now we are waiting for the guy. He will come and we'll kit up for the zipline and after that we'll go to the campsite for the rafting.
I'm higher when I'm heavy. Oh, I'm so high. My jumpsuit takes me so high. I'm flying from a fire. From Nico and the Niners. Whoa.
দুজন তো ওইটা গলে হল তাত কোন দুজন যাব
আমি দুজন
আমি অলরেডি কথা
in my coat pocket where I kept my rebel red. Felt I was invincible, you wrapped around my head. Now different lives I lead, my body lives on lead. The last 2 lines may read incorrect until said. The lead is terrible in flavor, but now you double as a paper maker. I despise you sometimes, I love to hate the fight. And you in my life is like sipping on straight chlorine. Let the vibe slide over me. This beat is a chemical.
Oi, जा दे
ঐ আ
বহি থাক
ঐ ওচৰতে মানে ইহঁতে লাইট অফ কৰিব লাগে ন তেতিয়া যাব কি ইহঁতে কৈ আছিলে
ইহঁতক কোৱা নাছিলে ন
ইহঁতক ক'ত ক'লে আমাকে কৈছিল
ওলাই গৈ মেলি তই কগে না ইহঁতক গৈ পিলে
হয় স্কলিং ঐ বৈ মাতিছে